Good morning! Hello everyone! New day, new vlog. So for today's video is mag-vlog kami or mukbang ng isang buong maran. This is fresh from Davao City.
We're gonna be eating one.
Yeah, this is our dessert. Kakatapos na namin mag-breakfast. So yan magiging dessert namin ngayon. So, watch us while we eat this one big mara. Sobrang laki nito. See?
But my head is even more smaller than that.
This is a big one.
That's big. Let me remove this. Wait.
Now we're gonna start opening this.
Who's ready?
Me.
Whoa. This is...
Start opening this one. Sobrang ano na to? Sobrang hinog na. Wait. Super hinog na to siya.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that's a lot.
Tanggalin yung mga skin. Oh my God. Look at that. Ano itong unang gata itong tagsasinita? You get plate there ka. You put this in the plate. Oh.
Let's remove it first.
Hello!
Ya, dito sa kwan.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Hindi mo ipet, gikan sa.
Mana? Ito nang gignan. Mana! Okay ba?
Oh, that looks so good. Let's now put it right now.
Oh, man.
Let's now see. Oh my goodness. Oh, lambot. Malingi.
Okay, let's start.
Start.
Put the seeds here, okay?
Okay. Let's start.
Let's start everyone. Get fork na lang ka.
Let's start eating. The mara.
Use a fork.
Let's start eating the mara.
Use a fork.
Kita nyo na yung itabaw na.
Huli ha.
Gamit yung swirl.
Ano tayo? Ano?
Ooh, this tastes good.
Fresh from Davao. Kahapon namin binili. Okay. Ang dami mong marang. Super dami. Ang dami mong marang nila. Ayan o. Ako mangosteen, avocado, marang, and pomelo. They're all fresh from Davao City. Super fresh. Tanggal umay. Andra, you watching the TV, ha? That's it. Bye, everyone. Mamaya ko ito ubusin. Para meron naman akong backup later. Kasi yung iba, ano pa yun siya, mga hilaw pa. So, it takes like 2 days pa yun bago mahinog. Sakto pang Christmas. Diba? That's it. Bye!